This is like the last lyrics to Kaiser Chiefs, Lala. Yeah, that's to Lala.
When I was your
la, la,
person
la,
singing
la,
with you,
la, la,
you
la.
had to do that.
And should Ubano
La,
copy
la,
go
la.
Olira or Lava copy Olira. Olira la la la.
Washington
6
Thank you
minute
so
song.
much, Screw. Thank you.
No, one paragraph. La 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 la. Bezathi yapora kayikhuphula la la. Wow, Lira.
It's better than Ubachele Sesfigi. Asazi kanjani?
Kanjani?
Sesfigi. Wangena phungu thishu.
Thana balela.
Wathola ukuthi
Wahleke. Hlekani.
oh my word. All right, Brian.
Happy.
Are you sure? Not many people are happy, yeah?
Why not? Why?
You got pepper spray, Baba. Have you ever experienced pepper spray, Baba?
Yeah. Oh, okay. As trained umuntu wenzile into pepper spray asiqaleni lapho before sehlala sela inzansi and lapha phezulu behlele uThiboza ngithi ngathi naye bamfaka super do akanyakazi akaxwayizi uhlele media akayikhulumisa media kuhlele kanje uyazibuza ukuthi bangicosheleni like uThiboza was like so benze kahle bangicosha yazi la yeah like uThiboza was like yes benze kahle bangicosha ngabe ngithola isikokoro namhlanje bashayiwa abantu izolo bashayi lalela ke mamela mara kunento ngixakile before sayindeni ibhaya why udalimpofu basile advocate dalimpofu ngona ngisuwe why bekangahlelanga nalabo
ngona kusuwe
ayithi uNtswemo ngalento lezo akangisekhotha akunandaba advocate dalimpofu abantu bayakatshwa la awuJulius bayakatshwa yena neberede yakhe bekahleli ngapha esidini ngasho ngathi yabona abantu boshukela uyazi ukuthi bangangiguga ngishone lana ngifele ini bayakatshwa bayaguga boJulius athele amabhounce amaya kuye wavela athi advocate I will move out alone. Do not touch. Do not. I will sue you, Joe. Like, no one touch advocate. No one. And ngathi asabona nasemehlweni ulando munye usuze asambi sekuleso sikhathi asithi asebani kapile. Alright. Uya akaphukela ama specs mara aba advocate abekho right abekho loyal abasama fighter. No isolo bekana spirit of fight bezibelele side nathi angidla. Ngona abantu bamabhizinisi angile. Bazonikapha. All right. Awuthi ngicela kumara ngapha. Bekunamasotsha loba bekunamasotsha eParliament yethu ubaqeda lapho athi babuthelezi aka feel safe. Sorry? Uthi aka feel safe. Abuye Natali, I'll feel safe. You know? Zinama renkeni wadwini konto. I see the irony. Awukho safe eParliament athi awukho safe. Ufaka lento yakhe ngathi duku yini into ayifakile. Man. Le ribbon, ufaka ribbon.
It's a feather.
Ribbon. Kuli ngikhulana abantu besibama ribbon dayile. Ribbon ngegrey hair athi awukho safe. Hey. Kwakunini imikhonto uMandela uyaboshwa uyabuya bagwazana phambi kwakhe athi akekho safe maqeda umbusweni into athi yeah let's all leave athi zorencane njengoba umbusweni athi siphuma where are we going let's go to penny Mama. Where are we going? Mina ngazi la transport ameka fika la. Ukuthi uhlalelene eceni kwalabantwana ngoba uyabazi labantwana vele uJulius bokuyisona izolo.
Julius to chase out
Honorable Malema
who are protecting the constitution in the name of the rule. If there is anyone who must leave,
Honorable Malema, leave the chamber.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm elected here.
We will assist you to go.
You are scared of Zuma. He used you, he dumped you. He used you and promised you that you are going to be a president. And you went home, you slaughtered a cow.
uJulius labantu ongafananga ngomtshela secret uzoyiveza amanilo wena unjenje futhi bathu athi ngamagama kaJulius okungase wami futhi bantwana basekhaya uthi uma Mbaleka no baba beba right so lemntwana manje uthi beni right bathi wena hamba bakulahla udump kimi ukulahla wakulahla lo baba waqeda ukuthi uzoba ipresident wahlaba nenkomo ucabanga uzohlaba inkomo ukhuluma naphansi bogogo bogogo izinto zizoshintsha manje like ngizoba ipresident ngicela nibe happy for mina kanti angeke yenzeke lo mntwana uJulius and bekanomzimba uJulius until manje umolizo la mama yazizola uJulius baba mphakamisa yilama security bengathi kwabona moya emajezini bese imvulu iyaqala bese nithatha ama chem chair fast kwabona manthatha into zeni fast nicoca masinyane ukuthi ninganetha imvulu uJulius baba ngathi chem chair 80 rand uJulius la bondozi baba bangathatha ama chem chair kabuhlungu umuntu akakubonakala yilo uSibambo phela Sibambo lalela lo muntu ulidipapa jo bathi bamguga akagugeke
Sangale.
alakho ingenkomi la wanyamalala ubuye ukugcina ukuphuma olokho uSibambo uJulius bamba ngathi present uJulius bakazoba umuntu and uyabhala namhlanje 8:30 but uyabhala manje in the next 15 minutes into ayofela yona ngapha uyabhala ngapha udumbile ngapha uyabhala uphethe ice cube umlomo bawenzeni mara le country njani le proper ngikuthi i-country njani le abantu bakatshwa ngikokoro ubaba leso sikhathi lalela ke kuyaliwa konke lento uhleli phansi udlela ama peanuts lo did you see that was chilling just there ayidlela ama peanuts bazoceda and that's the peanuts la undercover Jahile Kalamanzi Honorable phuma bayalo Phathi phakathi lama peanuts and asilana ane barcode hayi lawo wena one barcode lawo serenkeni lawo Lana twelling esaluka and lawo bawathi anongena emazini mokunu abantu balwa ngaye balwela yena bayakapani akayingeni
Umayela ama peanuts man.
Cela phuma uThera kwaphuma iEFF kwaphuma iDDA ngijabelungu baphuma ngeorder bafuna iguju Nascooking we can't stand this we living basukuma bayava obheka kwasukuma lo baba uyi1 angazi le baba or APC or PAC bahleli ceni kababugodi Akasukuma lo bamdonsa ngebhanji bahlala phansi nama I'm living but manje ukubona ungalo uyi1 ephathini abantu bathi bafuna ukuhamba angimazi wani laba bomunye nje omunye
Modushi
angimazi
Yeah, he was sitting next to Themba Godi.
yeah bahleli ceni kabugodi nayo shaya tradition nayo zemara song shaya tradition bayamdonsa labantu ngabulabula dada bulabula speaker asithi sithula ngitholi owale umuntu problem akakho umuntu yazi yilabo abantu laba ovuma esiqaleni sekathi ango happy ngale ceremony umanga usukuma i1 cabanga ayi1 athi I'm living but manje wasukuma lo baba wathi angitshela after kudlula abantu baqatshwa kanje udla ama peanuts awushenge naye uyafuna ukuphuma lokhuzana ubaba Thelezi mara uyazibuza ngiyapi la sithi ngiyaphuma la abantu bangena ama transportini bayahamba itrain yokuqala ngo6 ekseni Waphuma ngaphandle la una transport so chance lifting yana besonke masithi Alejandro
umbone la mama the security ubhizo betha abantu as they walked out.
Oh, the one with the perm.
The one with the big hair.
lalela Goli ngicela
Psychotic.
hayi yashaya lalela umuntu kulonzi une job description job description ka Bob ukuthi abe I radio host esekuseni co-host umuntu onze traffic nayayibedela la mama umsebenzi ukushaya abantu uJulius umsebenzi la mama uthi uyabe namhlanje ngiyobashaya uthi ke la mama lalela umsebenzini okay asithi uyemsebenzini akashaya umuntu mafendi bekonje namsebenzi singazoboreka kahle yazonke umuntu was just like bekane order like why yo umsebenzi la mama ukushaya abantu ubashayile hayi kancane ubashayile
wathi wabaleka ukulicala ngezandla
and the funny thing is that in every 10 South Africans 8 of them don't know what the president said yesterday. That's the sad part. Is that after all this nonsense enzakelela phana awuthi isibaya mhlambe I say iphelele into besibukele se right
Malema, we will assist.
Let me tell you, wait.
We would like you to assist
That's
us.
what your conduct has failed you to be a candidate for president because you are irrational, you are impatient, you are partisan. Even your own people have dumped you. After they told you you are their candidate, you went home to do umcimbi, telling ancestors you are going to be a president. After that they dumped you because of this conduct. Exactly this conduct.
Can you imagine umambaleka president of the country? That's a sight, ne?
Not gonna work.
Will there be order though?
Nah.
Yeah, uzifaka every day.
How?
Every day. Ujwayele ukuthi order mos. But ukufaka iorder kufanele uzuyifake. Ungayisho nje ukuthi order.
Okay.
Uhlala nomama ohleli icini kwamambaleka. Ubani la mama ila mama laba ila mama laba makunomncwabo yena umenyameni uye lothi ophaka inyama. Uphaka inyama encane. Yaba nomama laba benenhliziyo ezimbi. Unobuso benhliziyo embi. La ubuso nomama nomandla lo umandla yamazi umandla nomandla naye bamcoshile izolo umandla ubonile izolo naye unobuso kanti akaqoba but hey wangena. Uma ulufana naye khulumile uyaqala nje uthi akhuluma ngathi ubuso bakhe ithini lena ubuso bakhe impumulo ngathi ufuna ithola phepha ngathi Ningani thisho ukuyibona impumulo ka umandla nobuso bakhe ngathi bampresela phansi kithi nana security mangabamba yamthunuka don't touch me in my face don't Mamas man le buso bulo fana mkweli ya le buso ngathi la mabhasi lakudala bathi imbombela la yamas man ubonile le buso ngathi sinkwe kwasazi isinkwa abasike kabi yazi dala bengana slice bread bese sika nje isinkwa umuntu umbonile umbonile bamphakamisa lapha la security afika nempumulo ngathi impumulo yakhe ngathi izembe naye angasika ufake isikokora ngapha uphethe imbazo namanye amazi umandla ngathi
amthunuki
ya ubuso bakhe ngathi uthunukile ngathi nimela ngathi don't touch my face don't lakho yamazi yazi impumulo ngamandla njalo hayi ukuthi emthukela manako wonke umuntu umboyile izolethile impumulo yakhe ngathi bampresele phansi Okabana mo press okabana mo siki i-force line bese uyipress ukuthi ufuna ukuyidla same time nimbonile manje manje ubuso bakamandla ngathi i-laptop evaliwe yabazi ngathi uphethe spectrograph la khona manje ubuso ngathi spectrograph okabana semngcobeni le kharab le so bese le lock trim
Jesus of
la unobuso ngathi okabana mamvakashele bese uvula umnyango kancane bese kuba le chain lencane le umkolo athi ngizokola kabishavala ngathi nomvale ngaphandle ubusaba amandla ne iye yasaba ukukhuluma naye bese ukuthi uyasithusa la uthini umandla kana impact ufana igama lakhe ne ufana impumulo kafana uyibona yo bafaka ama specs zona ngazi for in impumulo yakhe ithinta umlomo ugcina ukubona impumulo ethinta umlomo impumulo kafana ne upper lip zihlangene i-joint sitting impumulo kafana nomlomo i-joint sitting ikhombo like
kanibona sinye
unobuso ngathi umsopo yebo ngathi umsopo ufana yamazi ufana man lo
Fesiri.
Alo ababe eholela le mpumulo ngenge. Baphela inyanga yesasa yangizolanda. Bathi yana i-17. Yes.
Right there. That's a nice one. Fantastic shuffle.
Asithanda lengoma ezo. Kwaya kule ndawo ekudlala abo Brachibos nama R&B bese badlala lengoma lezi bese nabo sister laba badala nyana laba be make up ephaya. Yabo labo sister laba banenje yabo.
Yeah, baba.
Ayikoningi.
And then when they see the young husband, they will like
No, makakubheka lokho. So and laba banenje benyana thanda banavoice nyana ngathi grof nyana so what are you drinking? Oh, right, sister. Wow, sister. Why ngibiza sister? Angibiza nje ngobabe ngola. Uthi bazubhizi nene little mo. Balo basicishala amehlo. Faka amapitikothi ngithi no mama labanga. So all right. Muta mozunuki after shave ngithi. Abaza besotera nje bayabaza. Ayikita wrong manenjebe.
After shave.
Shalalas.
Ayikoningi isikhathathi kanti nga. Isikhathathi. Into yakho isikhathathi like ayiko asi joint event like asi joint sitting. Isikhathathi
bomo.
Isikhathathi. Enyila ewan endenyana. Basakadaki bazikhohlo lakadlala ngayo lo. Ala kayidonsa sawuzathi angazi Joshua olahlelana. Olahlelana njebe. Yawazi basebuzile asikhotela kathi yasimara ngikho right. Abangani bakhe bamkhuza Joyce yekele setup.
Udlala ngentshebe.
Baby saka setup athi yekele setup uzothi. Bangibhekile. Yazi nami nyapha yazaka. Umuza awunasikero nyana ngithi. Awunasikero ngithi tap. Yabalo sizobana nje banenkani. Banemoto ezinhle, banenkani. Banenkani noma ufaka amakhoyi kwayo egcoke kahle hayi. Hairstyle right bese nje une pied. Ekseni umuntu baby, why you have to shave at AM way? And unokuthuka mojola naye. Nokusithuthi mara baby ubani ubabola endlini imoro wathi it depends yilabo bese yilabo mama baselokishini beyinefu bazilabo snif manje lokakhuluma nalo bazala abazali alokasigoca la ne asithi bese sifaka akasibheni empumulo asifake la empuma lips athi beshakhuluma kanje athi ha akashapota ubinidlane imali hasham ene abantu abathi una stroke nyana
Ulibela kalibalanga.
Excuse but it was excuse.
Hey, how you doing?
Sure.
There's a beautiful hashtag that I like following from time to time. It's called relationship goals.
Relationship goals.
Yeah, I think it's just fantastic because when it happens, it's somebody tagging somebody that have found inspiration from a couple. So you see Mabena and Mama Bena just chilling, having a glass of wine, and you aspire to that, and you just retweet it or you repost it and you put the hashtag relationship goals. So it's a way of you saying, you know what, I would like to have that.
Yeah.
So basically I'm saying, who is that couple? They don't have to necessarily be famous, but they are on social media. That just kind of give you that, you can't help but want to
You and Mrs. Mokwele are fantastic. Ebony and Ivory, and you are both cool and as a couple and as individuals. And you're both warm and there's no competition and there's no outshining each other. You're a family. You are siblings. And you match.
Omunye mnyama, omunye mhlophe like
Ngenkani.
ngathi inform yesikole yes. Obrati was gaje lama program athi young sekhumbula youngs. Elemol aina hadi. Sisma paseke lama emba sepep student print.
Yellow bone.
And imbonile ukhona la.
She's hot. She's looking hot.
Bafanelana. Relationship goals. And
usana emsebenzi.
Joint city.
Ni joint city. When sisma paseke like for me my relationship goal Joe.
Angakaqedi.
Oh hadi.
Oh, sorry.
So Mpoma Boy is coming in for my top 10.
Oh, I love Mpoma Boy.
You know, Tipos, I don't know if
No.
you noticed the Standard Bank hashtag. The hashtag was "Make a Woman Smile in 3 words,"
Oh yes, I saw that.
which was really quite
dope.
fantastic.
That's
You know,
dope.
that was really something else. It was. I really
Today,
enjoyed it.
tomorrow, to get us right. It's great.
Right.
Spoiler every day.
Yeah, boy.
3 words.
Moving forward.
Now, basically, to answer your question, you guys inspire me.
Awesome.
bakhona abantu abangi-inspire uMphoma Boy yazwakala.
Yeah, I love Mpoma Boy. Uzayedwa akazi noyeye. I mean, wena, you like being controversial.
Ngizange be-controversial bengibuza ukuthi uza no-Beyonce or not.
Why is it wrong, Joe? Why is it wrong? Why is it Joe? If you know there are people who are guaranteed to go to hell,
Yeah.
you are one of them, Joe.
Oh, well,
You understand that?
what
Joe?
guarantees me? Like,
Yeah, Joe. That's one area you don't mess with.
no, i-Brian Moye.
Yeah.
Brian.
You're going to straight
Mana
to
vele,
hell.
yazwakala uMphosi injani uMphosi. She's gonna be one of the biggest sport anchors in the country.
Yeah, she's a lovely girl as
She's
well.
great. George Michael abakamncwabi bafethu.
I
Like,
know. And you know you always come here with strange news and we never believe you. This time we know.
what about the cause of death? Really?
Jeez.
Yini abayitholi kuphi?
Emzimbeni.
Abajosh banamalini kanti like no, probably abayitholi cause of death. George, yini lalela it's either poison or uzibulele. And thina bodaka angeze commit suicide. Suicide is not us. Ukabona ukuthi uzama ukuzibulala brabo elokishini usifa sentambeni usifake esilingini bese isilingi iyakubuya. Wele isilingi umama kavela athi nayimhlo. Thamsanga. But hey, akakusizi ufuna abanye bazobona. Sonda. Nayimhlo wenzani wena? Uyakhala ngathi intamo ngathi ibhotha ihlelo yo. Sabiza bamalume bayakuthethisa uhlele sofeni kanje. Ubheke phansi. Isilingi ikapile la uphuma igazi kancane. Imkapela isiphongo uphuma igazi kancane le. Ngapho mhlophe.
Abaningi manzi.
Abanzwani olokuthi but Thamsanqa ngine inkinga zegrocery. Ufuna ukuzibulala. Na imhlolo yami izwa nomntwana. Yini singakenzela noThamsanqa ngini? Angcono ngifa. Uyazihenga manje.
Alungisele roof qala.
Bathuma yena wathi hamba funa uPeter azolungisa le thini. Makafika uPeter na miyenze kaleni. Yakathi yazibulala loyo. Uzibulala iselengi.
So Peter thinks Bulanga is
Tammy ukuza Tammy ngithi akalazi akakazi Thamsanqa ngithi ubeka la Tammy uzibulala iselengi. Disappointed. Ngaba bayambambisa bamba ngapho lokho. Bambambisa. Ayakokotha le good. Uqinisa uzama ukuqinisa ukuthi bakazama avela ahambe once. Uthi umuntu akathathi Alpirim, wathatha Alpirim. Ubusiness ceiling yami. Hayaza una peace. Ngine society next week. Beka kunjani? They don't care. They don't want your reasons.
Yeah.
They don't need your reasons why you want to kill yourself. Like Joe, why ungacabangela abanye abantu like sina trips eZanzibar next Press ngobane nawo singayike. I Thamsanqa is selfish. I is selfish. As in selfish. Awunomntwana ngabe ubhizi wenza abantwana hayi ufuna ukuzibulala. Yena imhlolo yethu angeke. Ngona ubela kubabakho, angeke kuba userenkini angeke.
Hi, Zinhle.
Hi, Prabop. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great, thank you.
Fantastic.
Prabop, I've got one question for Skhumba. Nimthathe because
Uzivikele.
Uzinhle moblo ilo or uzinhle nje. Phela uzinhle saze her majesty thina ayizinhle nje. Wayibuza le question ebuzayo.
zintoni ezinto ozithethayo kodwa Skhumba?
Asori mama. Umxhosa.
Awumva.
hambani ke amaXhosa hambani kuthukana amaXhosa ezela ijoza zonke
Amazika ngiyavumela Sihle wena ndinenhloni nihleli aba ndinenhloni lo bhuti makayeke kumandi hayi ntombi yahlekisa
hambani hambani
Sikhumba
eTranscape labo nto yakho nizela nizongqobo Christian nisahamba hayi
Matanzima.
sobona mathanzi khawuthi vele nize nabazenka ami nihlomeka apha sihlaleni hambani zinja sharp.
No, you've made my day.
We are prepared to leave this parliament being in a coffin, standing for the truth. We are not going to be intimidated by soldiers, by police, by criminals who are hell-bent at defending a constitutional delinquent, a man who is prepared to violate the constitution. They are ready to chase people out who break the constitution, who break the rules of parliament, but prepared to defend a man who broke his oath of office. We are not going to allow that. If anything must happen, let it happen now.
There's a name that you always make an example of, Ntabi Singh.
Hi, Kumba.
Hello.
Hello, guys.
Skanjan.
Okay.
Eh.
I think I'm going to go sona ne. When I see mango suit, kasutu high na home choice. Ngabona home choice. Kumba wavuka phakathi kwami.
Ntabi Singh.
Hello.
When Kumba goes to hell, you follow.
And Ntabi umfishane ne?
Yeah.
Umfishane umshophi.
Well. Yeah, that's true. Ntabi Singh bajwana.
Bye. Wathi majinga ubaba umntwana odesha umshongara yini? Ezolo makhumalo bekenzani ngeweave.
Are you serious now?
Now front page, a new age.
It is just an afro, which is age appropriate, I suppose.
Yeah. Nice, Joe. Like she looks great. Hello, mama. Since I first laid, I got a paragraph.
Yes, Ned.
Paragraph. Yes, I'm not nix. Udla maphinansi lokuthi ufuna amanzi. Wala mahewu ufuna amanzi. Hlabela inkoko. Yabo sina lama olilane on. Hlabela inkoko ngenza. Ngibekela amanzi.
Hello, Sarah.
Hello, how are you?
Yebo.
Babu Sikhumba, kunjani?
Kunjani?
Hayi cha, yabona izolo nje bekushoda wena eParliament.
Angilapha.
Ngiyakutshela. Yabona yonke into eyenzakalayo ngichazule mama bathi you may take a seat. Asayibo, siyangisinda. Ngathi boSikhumba, hayi tomorrow ngiyamamela.
Bese bathi mina ngisukela amaZulu. You may take a seat. Ngesiphi. Bravo, thank you very much. I'm continuing with my tour. 1st of April, I'm back on stage. Bravo. Yeah, my tour. First of all, tickets are open called Elokuzanin at the Rich Witbank. I'm starting my tour at Witbank. 1 April, tickets are available at competition.
Is it safe in Witbank?
It is. People are wonderful that side.
All right.
Why?
I don't know. People's Bay must come and protect me. I've got a com card. Do not beg me. It's Coolie Rubbers. Oh, I'll see you guys in Pretoria very, very soon. It's Kumba. We're going to Pretoria, ne?
No.
Yes, we'll see you in Pretoria. Bye, guys.
Okay. Good luck with the gig in Witbank.
Thank you very much.
When is it?
1st April, Bank the Rich Casino.
Not April Fool's Day.
No, it's not an April Fool's show.
Okay.
It's going to be a very joint sitting. Like, joint.
Bye-bye.